Welcome to Canvas, the Learning Management System, or LMS, used in this course. When you log into Canvas, you'll arrive at your home page. Notice at the bottom of the home page you have three icons, one for the syllabus, one for modules, and one for a fact sheet on how to use Canvas as a student. By clicking on any of these icons, you'll access the syllabus, modules, or the fact sheet. Note also that you have a navigation bar at the top left-hand corner. From this navigation bar, you can access modules, grades, conferences, and syllabus. Just one note with regard to syllabus. It's not what you would think. This link does not take you to the syllabus. It actually takes you to a schedule of assignments. The word syllabus is built into Canvas and I can't change it. I would call it schedule, but it's called syllabus. So just know that that takes you to a very handy schedule of assignments. The course is modules driven, so let's take a look at modules. Notice the second module down, which is forums. If you open the forums up, you will see Ask the Professor and Grammar. Grammar is the spot to post questions with regard to Hebrew grammar. Ask the Professor is the spot to post questions with anything else with regard to the course that is not private. If you want to ask a private question, you will use Inbox, which is an internal communication system just between you and me. If you click on one of the forums, you will note the subscribe button. Make sure that is clicked and green. If you are subscribed, all posts will come directly into your email so that you will not have to check the forums for questions and answers. Well, back to modules. Let's close the forums and look at course resources. There are a number of items here. The one that I want to draw your attention to is communication protocols. This will give you details on how to communicate with me and what you can expect with regard to my replies to your communications. Each weekend has its own module. Let's look at weekend 1. At the top of each module will be a list of activities to be completed before that weekend. And then in weekend 1 you will have links for 3 video pages. Since we are using flipped methodology, you will not have lectures in class. We flip that and you will watch your lectures before class. And then in class, we will in effect do your homework together. So before each class, you want to watch all of the videos. You want to work through the practice exercises, draw up a list of questions that you might have, and then be prepared for me to drill you on those practices. Let's close weekend 1 and go to weekend 2. In weekend 2, you'll notice your weekend 2 activities to be completed before class and assessments. You'll have an exam to take on Canvas, and this exam will cover lessons 1 through 3, which we worked through in weekend 1. You'll also turn in reading reflections on 2 chapters in How Biblical Languages Work. And then you'll see your videos for the following weekend, videos on lessons 4 through 8. Well, that's a brief look at our learning management system. And remember the fact sheet if you have additional questions. See you online and then in class.